I'm Megan Woolerton for CNET, and this is the Honeywell Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. It operates like a regular thermostat, but you can also control it remotely using a web-based app or one of the free Android or iOS mobile apps. It costs $250, which is the same as the popular Nest thermostat. So what sets it apart? The most obvious difference is its looks. The Nest thermostat is round and is probably a little bit more in your face with its unique design. This one looks a lot more like your standard digital thermostat. The Nest is also way more minimalist in its display. It basically just shows the current temperature and that's it. The Honeywell, on the other hand, has a lot of information on its homepage. It'll show the current temperature. It'll also show the outdoor temperature and humidity, which I really like. Another thing I really love about this Honeywell is its usability. It's a lot like regular thermostats, so there's not much of a learning curve. But don't fret if you haven't had a smart thermostat before. The app is also incredibly easy to use. With the app, you can set the temperature or even set your vacation schedule from the road. And it really works. Honeywell made claims that they could get the temperature within 1 degree of accuracy, and that's true. But if you don't want the fan kicking on all the time, you can actually adjust that however you like. One problem I do have with the app is that it logs out a lot, which is really frustrating. A small issue I had with this thermostat in general is that it doesn't come with different size wall plates. So as you can see, I can't cover up my old paint job. On the other hand, the Nest comes with 2 different size wall plates, so you can cover up any unsightly paint jobs. Another problem I had with the installation is that it requires a wire that I just don't have. And since I'm not really familiar with messing around in the HVAC unit, I had to use this cord as a last resort. I'll talk about this more in the how-to video, but the Honeywell thermostat requires a C-wire, whereas the Nest thermostat can be hooked up using a G-wire. So depending on which one your house has, that will kind of inform which one you choose. They're both great, but it's kind of a matter of the installation. Overall, I really love the Honeywell Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. It works, it looks nice, and it's going to be a great addition to your house. I'm Megan Woolerton for CNET, and this is the Honeywell Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat.